Treasure the confidence that you have gained here. Reach out to those who have accompanied you on this journey and feel renewed in your determination to excel at being who you are.
And we did it, guys. We did it. We graduated. We did it. I really hope you guys go out and change the world. Don't let it be the same way it was before you came into it.
As we find our feet in this new chapter in our lives, I hope that we can develop the courage to hear the roar which lies on the other side of silence and live faithfully with sympathy in our hearts. And so, with wandering steps and slow, we embark on our lives beyond Princeton, at once alone and together.
The journey that commences today will take you into a new and changing world. I am confident that you are well prepared for the challenge. You have excelled here, and you have persisted through the pandemic with extraordinary determination, creativity, intelligence, compassion, and courage. We will need your leadership, your vision, and your dedication to the service of humanity.